how to actually believe you can get what you want is something that a lot of people struggle with. So has it ever bothered you that you constantly have to be clearing limiting beliefs? So as soon as you clear one, there's another one, okay? And if you're learning how to manifest, it can feel like you're always having to fix old beliefs so that you can believe in the things that you want. So today, I'm going to give you a handy dandy little trick where you don't have to worry about changing all of your beliefs anymore. You can just do this one thing and it will help you manifest anything, even if you don't quite believe it. This will help you step into belief, even if you still have limiting beliefs about your ability to get the thing that you want. Of course, my name is Andrea Schulman. I've been teaching people about the law of attraction, consciousness, and spirituality for over 10 years. And of course, if you enjoy my videos, consider signing up as a member. I have a membership program that's not affiliated with YouTube, but it is an ongoing program to help you stop resetting your manifestations. Stay aligned long enough for your life to change and become the version of you who actually gets what you want. So if you're interested in learning more about my membership program, at the end of the video, I invite you to check out the link below in the description on that. But let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So let's say that there's something that you want to manifest. So you want to manifest a new car, or you want to manifest a new relationship, or you want to manifest a new body, but you don't believe. You don't believe you can have it, okay? So for instance, let's say you want to get into your dream body, you want to lose 50 pounds, you want to tone up, you want to look great, but in your mind, you've always believed that maybe I've always been big boned, or I have bad genetics, or I have a particular body type and I can't change that body type. And these are all examples of limiting beliefs or limitations that will get in the way of you being able to manifest the body that you want. So if you want to be thin and you want to be toned, but you believe that you're always going to be overweight, you've been overweight your whole life, everyone in your family is overweight, blah, 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 those beliefs will get in the way of that dream body. And so what most people try to do when they try to manifest their dreams is they try to correct their limiting beliefs. And there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, it's a good idea to try and shift as many of those as you can. But here is the problem, all right? Our entire reality is built up on limitation. That's what it is. This reality is built up on limitation. So gravity is a form of limitation, okay? It's a rule that we have created that dictates how this world is governed. Physics is an example of a limitation. So how the mechanics of the world flows, that's a limitation. It's a way of us saying things have to go this way. They can't go another way. What goes up must come down, so to speak. Okay. And so everything in our reality, not just things like your weight or your experience with money, but even the physical constructs of reality are built on limitations. And so here's why fixing limitations is a problem. There's always going to be more to fix. Okay. And it becomes kind of exhausting when you want to manifest more things that you constantly have to figure out what is my block and how do I shift it? The way I liken it is it's like an onion, okay? So you'll pull back one limiting belief and then you'll notice, oh, there's another one, got to shift this one. There's another one, got to shift this one. There's another one, got to shift this one. And while it is a good idea to shift the limitations that are really interfering maybe with your self-esteem or your ability to feel good, it's helpful to do that. You don't have to. Okay, so I want to give you a little trick, and this is something that I've implemented in my own life. And so whenever there's something that I want, and maybe it feels unbelievable, this is the one that I dial in with. Okay, so if you change no other belief, you want to create your own rule that supersedes all other beliefs in your reality. And the rule is anything is possible. Okay, so this is an infinite universe and anything is possible. This is a belief you want to start to work on and create in your own consciousness. Because if at any point in time there's something that you want, that feels unbelievable, you'll remember, oh yeah, that's right, anything's possible. And that higher belief will allow you to manifest something even if you haven't corrected the limitation that's getting in the way. Okay, so for the example of the weight loss, again, let's say that you're 50 pounds overweight that's how you feel. You feel like you're 50 pounds overweight and you want to get into your dream body. And in your mind, you keep thinking, I've always been overweight. I've always been overweight. Everyone in my family is overweight. And you don't shift all of those particular beliefs, but you do institute a new belief that says anything is possible. Now, if you have that belief when you think about your dream body, well, anything is possible, that becomes a conduit that allows you to create your dream body, even if you're still carrying those old limitations. Now, this is a really fun belief to put into place because when you put this belief into place, in my experience, the more interesting things show up. Okay, so because you're trying to ask for things that are kind of unbelievable, but you're saying anything is possible, they'll start sneaking in very bizarre ways. Okay, so they may come through somebody just bringing it to you or you getting some random idea, but not necessarily through the way you thought it would occur. It comes in a different, perhaps more unpredictable way. This is a belief everybody I feel should have. Anything is possible. This is an infinite universe. Anything is possible. Now, how do you create this belief inside of your own mind? Now, the way you do this, of course, you can repeat that idea. It's helpful to remind yourself that anything is possible. But I've really found that when you want to cement new beliefs in, it helps to pair your affirmation with evidence. Okay, so what I mean by that is you want to affirm that anything is possible when you see kind of impossible things happening. All right, so let's say that you turn on the television and you watch somebody do something. So I know a while back there was a Netflix series on this guy who rock climbed some giant building in I don't know, Thailand or some Asian country. Maybe you saw it. If you remember what this one was, go ahead and drop it below in the comments. But this guy, with his bare hands, scaled this enormous building. And it looked so impossible. Like you're just waiting for this guy to fall off the side of this thing the entire time because he's going up with just his bare hands and nothing else. And so he does this thing that looks impossible. He accomplishes it, okay? When you see stuff like that, remember, oh yeah, anything is possible. This is an infinite universe. Of course that happened. Anything is possible. So whenever you see things that are remarkable, strange, out of the ordinary, use that as a time to remind yourself that anything is possible. And this is a really great thing because when you start pairing these instances of crazy things with that affirmation, when you go to use that affirmation towards the dream that you currently have, it's going to make that thing that you want look easy. Okay, so losing 50 pounds for most of us is going to look way easier than scaling some monstrous building in Japan with just your bare hands. Okay. So when you remind yourself anything is possible, I could have my dream body, your mind is going to remember those crazy things that you saw, and it's going to make your dream look simpler, look easier. So definitely try that out. Remember, you don't need to change all of your beliefs, but what you do need to do is create one master belief that anything is possible. And if you like this particular tip, please do remember that I do have a membership program and over 1,100 people have signed up. All right, so this is a membership program where you can learn all kinds of things about manifestation and the law of attraction. You can stop resetting your manifestations, stay aligned long enough for your life to change and actually become the version of you who gets the things that you want. Now, besides access to all of my members only materials, you also as a member do have the opportunity to ask questions of me. And I do select 3 of those each month to feature with longer audios. So if you're interested in that, that is obviously a member benefit. But if you'd like to learn more about my membership program, what all is included, and possibly sign up today, go ahead and check out the link below in the description and see if you'd be a good fit for it. In addition to that, if you are new to my work, I would love to invite you to take my free 5-minute manifesting test. All right, so again, we talked about how evidence is important. And when people first learn about the law of attraction, sometimes it's hard for them to believe that it actually works. And so I designed this test to be a very quick and easy test where you can put something out and watch it come back. And so feel free to go ahead and take that test now at manifestingtest.com. Again, that's manifestingtest.com, so that you know that you actually are the creator of your own reality. Thanks so much for watching today's video on how to actually believe in your impossible dreams. I really appreciate you watching. And of course, I look forward to bringing you another one soon.